Warehouse managers, we know the struggle. How do you measure packer performance fairly? How do you know who's crushing it and who's falling behind? Introducing ShipHero's Packer Performance Dashboard. Not all orders are created the same. Some are quick and some just take time. Traditional tracking systems only count how many orders get packed, but that's not fair. ShipHero's Packer Performance Dashboard changes the game. It doesn't just track how many orders get packed. It factors in order complexity, estimated packing time, and real-time performance, so you get the full picture without bias. Packer Performance Dashboard analyzes every order, estimating how long it should take to pack versus how long it actually takes, and then scores packers fairly based on real data. So you can see exactly who's excelling and who might need extra coaching with just a click. So stop guessing and start knowing. Use real data to make real change in your warehouse.